Today we'll talk about how can you disable messages on your Webull app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on menu down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on message settings, click on it here. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on press alerts. Then you come here to push notifications, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.